guys, I've got this SQUIRE SAL 40 padlock that's unknown to me, powered by Pies, a UK lock sport. The key is mummified, so I can't show you the bit in, but he's put his own made keys in this, pins, sorry, driver pins and key pins. I know some of them are serrated, some of them spools, some of them mushrooms, God knows where else. I do know he's serrated some of the pin chambers, or all of the pin chambers in this, so it's quite a challenge. Just going to try and get it on camera for you. It is locked up. Because there's so many serrated pins in this, I'm just going to be going over so many pins so many times, so I can't really go through what pins I'm actually on, but we'll just see if we can get it on camera, which is good. So I'm just trying to find the binding pins. There you go. Thank you, powered by Pies. That was a nice little pick. Cheers, guys.